I wore this
Okay.
backwards because I saw this on TikTok. And if you wear it backwards, then when I have my backpack in front of my back, and then they'll take it and yeah, because I wanted
Okay,
to see
it's
if
May the 8th or the 7th. It's Thursday. What day is it? Thursday?
yeah.
And we're gonna go to Lake Phelan. We're gonna go for a walk around the lake over there, Lake Phelan. So we're gonna have it's like about 8 minutes, 10 minutes drive from here. So we're gonna go over there and go for a walk. It's a beautiful day out. He has a hoodie, but he has it backwards, and he's just enjoying himself right now. He's gonna ride his scooter for 30 seconds. Don't go on the street over there. So it is our hood here. It's a nice neighborhood. We're gonna go for a walk at Lake Phelan. So click the button below, subscribe. It's a nice Thursday, and hopefully you're doing something as well. All right, peace, people. It's May the 7th. It's Thursday afternoon. That's him riding his scooter. Okay, we're gonna drive to Lake Phelan here, but first we have to stop somewhere else before we get there.
Take the next right onto Geranium Avenue West, then turn left onto Rice Street.
The GPS will keep telling me where to go.
And I'll just be sitting here watching YouTube.
You have your phone.
Take the next left onto Rice Street.
That's a cop crossing the street right in front of us.
You should be driving.
I haven't seen him in a long time. He always walks.
You've seen him before?
Yeah, he's always walking. Even when that guy was over there,
Mm-hmm.
remember the homeless guy?
Mm-hmm.
He was still walking around. He walks all the way down the street and all the way up.
How long has that homeless guy been around?
They said a long time. I don't know, many years.
I could tell he was older than you.
Hey, people watching the our channel, they used to have a homeless guy who used to sleep outside, actually at this corner.
The reason
Even in the middle of winter, he used to sleep right there where it says Desali or something. And,
Continue on Rice Street for 1 mile.
sad, he died recently.
The reason why he was outside is because his parents didn't let his dogs, and so he's gonna stay outside.
In 400 feet, turn left toward Maryland Avenue West. Turn left toward Maryland Avenue West, then turn right onto Maryland Avenue West.
Yeah, his parents refused to let him have a dog or his dogs in the house, so he decided to move out. And he was an older gentleman. I think he was a vet too, but he slept outside for many years. He died recently, last year.
No, 7.
Okay, I see traffic here, which means a lot of people are back to work because it's 4:30.
In a quarter mile, take exit 110A for Wheelock Parkway toward Larpenteur Avenue. Take exit 110A. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Larpenteur Avenue East. Take Take the next right onto Larpenteur Avenue East. Continue on Larpenteur Avenue East for 3/4 of a mile. In a 1/4 mile, continue straight to stay on Larpenteur Avenue East.
I haven't been on this side in a long time. Still St. Paul.
Continue straight to stay on Larpenteur Avenue East. In 800 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Well, it's here. Now we are in Maplewood. Lake Phelan is in Maplewood. And I see people are playing golf. So I guess stuff has opened up. Just a couple weeks ago, there were no vehicles on the roads here. See, the lake is over there.
I know that sign anywhere. That's the sign for Canada.
Oh, that one?
Yeah,
Canadian flag?
yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why they have it here.
Daddy, which one would you go into? A green pool of acid, a deadly temperature, a really cold deadly temperature of hiking in the coldest mountain that can kill you, or a burning hot sun. I'd pick the burning hot sun because at night then you can go in.
Yeah. I don't know if we can park here on the streets. We're gonna go over there. There's a Lake Phelan. That's where we're gonna walk. And we'll find parking. If we can't, we will park on the street here.
This is huge.
It's bigger than Lake McCarran where we normally walk. So we'll find parking. We have arrived here. Thanks for watching our video. And people didn't park very well there. They're taking 2 spaces instead of 1. But I don't think we'll find parking, but it's okay. We're gonna walk here for, I think it's like 2-mile walk or something. I'm not sure. Let's see if somebody is leaving. All right, please subscribe.